top 3 tips for exam success at the taxation course. First of all, question practice. You need to try as many question types as you can before the actual exam, because the taxation exam has a lot of different styles of questions within it. So make sure you're attempting as many different question styles as you can before the actual exam. Reading and rereading your notes over and over again is not going to be enough to get you through the exam. My second tip is to make sure that you don't question spot. Everything in the taxation syllabus is equally examinable. So you can't just decide to focus on 1 or 2 specific taxes and forget about the others. There are some smaller taxes, absolutely, so inheritance tax and VAT, for example, are smaller parts of the course. However, don't forget about those, because those could actually end up being fairly straightforward, quick marks for you to achieve in the exam. And my final tip would be to make sure you answer every question. There's a lot of objective test questions in the taxation exam, so guess if you have to. Of course, hopefully you will have managed your time really well throughout the exam, so you're not going to be forced into having to guess because you're running out of time, but please don't leave anything unanswered.